You want to learn how to make the perfect batch of overnight oats? Then this video for the easiest no-cook breakfast option is for you. This grab-and-go vegan breakfast is a perfect recipe for anyone that likes kiwis and oats. Prepared in a jar, you can easily take this to school or to the office. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get started with the recipe. We are adding the oats to a bowl. To the oats, we are adding 1 cup of any plant-based milk. Then we are adding 1 heaped tablespoon of chia seeds. I'm using black chia seeds here, but you can also use white ones. And 1 teaspoon of agave syrup. We mix everything up with a spoon. We keep this aside for a bit and we continue with the kiwis. In the next step, we continue with the kiwis. We peel 2 kiwis and we slice them crosswise. For an extra fun touch, I use a cookie cutter to cut 2 of the slices in a star shape. You can use any cookie cutter of any size and any shape. Take whatever you like, or use a knife instead. The other slices we are adding to a bowl and we mash them with the back of a fork. Add the mashed kiwis to a mason jar. And then take the 2 stars and press them against the inner wall in the mason jar. In the next step, I'm adding our chia oat mixture to it. Once everything is transferred to the jar, I'm using the back of a spoon to press everything slightly down and to smoothen out the mixture. Keep the jar for at least 4 hours in the fridge or best overnight. The next morning I garnish with some fresh fruits and a teaspoon of coconut flakes. And that's it, a super easy nutritious breakfast recipe that is vegan and gluten-free. Hope you enjoyed this plant-based recipe. If you're new to this channel, a big welcome, and if you're new and don't like to miss any of my new recipes, then subscribe to this channel and enjoy preparing and eating super easy, super delicious and healthy food. Thanks a lot for watching, see you next time.